Hello students, welcome in the class. This is your English grammar book for class 7. Today we will solve a verb exercise from your book. This is exercise B of verb. Read the following sentence and state whether the verbs are transitive or intransitive. You know very well that what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb, which I explained in previous video. Transitive verb are verb which need object to complete its sense, and intransitive verb are verbs which do not need object to complete its sense. Remember, objects are noun or pronoun just after the verb. Now let's start the exercise. First one, words fly in the air. Here fly is verb and after fly there is in the air. In is preposition. That's why this is not a object of verb. That means fly is not having an object and it is intransitive verb because in this sentence verb is not having an object. Second one is the machine is not working. Here the verb is not working. Is and working is verb which is also not having an object. That's why it is also an intransitive verb. Third one is the old man helped the little boy. In this sentence, help is verb and after the verb there is the little boy which is object. That's why it is transitive verb. Here you can see the little boy. Boy is noun here. That means it is object and it is transitive verb. Fourth one, my sister served coffee to the guest. Here you can see served. Served is verb and just after it is coffee and coffee is object of served. That's why it is transitive verb because in this sentence verb has its object. Next one is my uncle narrated a story. In this sentence narrated is verb and its object is a story. That's why it is also transitive verb because in this sentence the verb is having an object. Next one is I learned my lesson. In this sentence learnt is verb and my lesson is object of this verb. That means it is also a transitive verb because it is also having an object. Means in this sentence the verb has an object. Seventh is the temperature is rising. In this sentence is rising is verb but it is not having an object after that. That means it is also intransitive verb. Eighth one is the sun shines brightly. Here shines. Shine is verb and just after there is brightly. And brightly is not noun or pronoun. It is adverb. That's why it is not an object of the verb. So in this sentence shine is verb and it is not having an object after that. That's why it is intransitive verb. Students, don't be confused. Only the noun and pronoun after the verb is considered an object. So remember, if any verb is having an object just after that, then it is transitive. Otherwise, it is intransitive. I hope it's clear to you then what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb. And now you can easily find out the verb and differentiate it as transitive or intransitive. Thank you.